Hello everyone, once again welcome to our video tutorial. So in this video tutorial today, we will show you and guide you how to make your Joomla website an SEO, or so to say search engine optimized. So it is optimized, it can be searchable by Google. So here in our demo, we will use our live site here. So here is our main site actually at webdevelops.com, and if you have time you can check it out, our services and our website. We have also other extensions that you can use for your website development, so you can check that out. So now in our previous video, if you're new to our channel, we have developed a website. We have teach you a guide on how to develop a website without any use of programming, or if you don't have any programming knowledge, you can create a website. So that's our main objective. It's totally free. You don't buy anything. It is do it yourself, step-by-step video tutorial, so you can check that out. So now here, one of the factors, or so to say, if you have a website, you need to make sure that your website is optimized. In other words, it can be searchable via Google. Right now, Google is the biggest platform when it comes to searching. So let's say, for example, if my keyword here, I will type we develops. So, and if you search that one, you make sure that your main domain is on top of everything. So here, if you can see, in just 0.32 seconds, Google find out our site, and this is our main website, and this is our about us services and other menus. Okay, so here in this video tutorial, we will show you and guide you how to make your your website searchable in Google. So there are many steps actually that you need to consider, but in this video right now is one factor that is very important, that you want to make your website searchable in Google. So here we have searched the develops, and it shows our website here, and there's a tool that you need to make your website searchable. Is this one. This is called Google Search Central, or this is formerly known as Webmasters. So these tools might help your website become search engine optimized. Okay, so now let's try to open this one, and we will show you how we perform and we set up in our site this web developers tools. Okay, so here this is the one. How to get your website on Google search. So it's clearly stated here, if you want your website that is searchable in Google's, then you can use these tools. Okay, so now we will show you here. We have already an account actually, because we've been using this for our site. We will show you and guide you some tips on how to install it for your Joomla site. Okay, so even if you're not using Joomla, even if you're using different platforms, you must still use this one. I recommend. This is the best tool that that will provide you free, and no need to pay anything. Okay, so if you go here, search consoles, and then it will redirect you to your website here. So here you can see our site here at webdevelops.com, and here you will find the performance of your site. So over since we have been using this for how many years, we have some data here. But if you want to install this, is quite easy. You just need to add it uh, and 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 then once you add it, and then it will give you some report. Okay, so here there are, if you can see, 196 total web search clicks. So here are the reports that you can analyze. Here in September 20 we have 8 clicks in total. So here you can just simply point the mouse to the graph and you will find it, the overview report. So here also in the index, here you will find some reports that shows. Okay, so it's quite useful if you want to check it from yourself. And it says mobile usability is good, so there's no error here if you will find it. So it's like different tools when it comes to Google Analytics. By the way, we have separate video on how to use Google Analytics. Check that out as well. We have a good video tutorial right there. We have shown you step-by-step procedure on how to make it, or how to install Google Analytics. It is also good for your reports that you can check. So here there are so many things that you can do actually. Performance you can check, and here you will find the total clicks and the total impression, so you can compare it. And you will find some top queries. Here we have some top queries of our name, and also this one from OpenCart, and the rest will follow. Okay, so you can use this one. If there's some error, you can also check. Okay, so it's quite easy to link this to your site. Just simply add here in the Google Search Console, add your site, and then once it's added, there's a script that you need to add or insert it in your Joomla head template so that it is searchable, and also it will link this Google Search Console to your site. So this is you can also use some indexes here, which is I would say very useful. Here you have index of 257 pages, and you will find it here. There's also some source, Google systems, and so on. And also you can check some sitemaps. Here you can add sitemaps if you want. Okay, you just need to key in here your sitemap, and once it's key in, you submit, and it goes here, status is successful. Okay, so here you can renew it. If you have new sitemap, you can just simply modify it, delete it, or add it if you have. So here it says discovered URLs over 251, and then you have also here from the rest of the sitemap. Okay, so you can check the site index actually. So just click the page and the URL, and it will give you some data. Alright, so this is one of the tools that is free. You can use it for your website. You can add your website with the Google Search Console, and then it will show and discover your site through Google search. Okay, so right now here this is our website and our menus, categories that is searchable. Okay, now you can use it. It's free. Alright, so let me recap of what we have did. Use this one, developers.google.com, or it's formerly known as Webmasters. It's totally free, and you can check it. What's the use for this one? There are some also people who ask this, so you can check what is Webmasters tool. So here you can monitor how their site interacts with Google. Okay, so how it becomes searchable. Alright, so I'll go back here, so overview, and that's it. It shows your site in Google. So it is one of the tools. We have also other videos on how to make it SEOs, but this video we have shared right now is one of the tools to make your website become search engine friendly. Okay, so check our previous video. We have other tools that we have used to make your website searchable in Google. All right, so thank you for watching, and I hope you can use these tools that is available. It's free, and please do not forget to follow and subscribe to our channel and learn more tips and tricks, totally free. You can use it in your website or in your website development. So thank you for watching, and see you in our next video tutorial. Bye.